Thinking about trying hot yoga, but feeling intimidated by the heat? You're not alone. Welcome to Melt Hot Yoga Hot Takes. I'm Gina Pasquariello, founder and lead instructor at Asana Yoga Studio here in Wichita, Kansas. Today I'm answering the questions every beginner asks. Will it be too hot? Do I need to be flexible already? What if I can't keep up? By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to expect in your first heated class and why thousands of Wichitans have made hot yoga their fitness home. First, let's clear something up. Hot yoga isn't about surviving some extreme challenge. At Hot Asana, our studios are heated to precisely 99 degrees Fahrenheit. That heat isn't there to torture you. It's a training tool that improves your flexibility, increases calorie burn, and teaches your body to adapt to stress. Research published in the Scandinavian Journal of Medicine and Science in Sports shows that exercising in heat improves your body's thermoregulation and enhances cardiovascular efficiency through plasma volume expansion and improved circulation. Translation: you're getting cardiovascular benefits just from being in that heated room. Let's bust some myths right now. Myth number 1, the heat is dangerous. For healthy adults, hot yoga is completely safe with proper hydration. A comprehensive review in evidence-based complementary and alternative medicine found that hot yoga improved flexibility and strength without any negative effects. Myth number 2, you need to be flexible before starting. This one drives me crazy. Flexibility is the result of practice, not a prerequisite. A study in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research showed that heated yoga significantly improves flexibility and balance. That's why you're coming to class, not what you need to bring. Myth number 3, I'll pass out from the heat. Heat adaptation happens quickly, usually within 3 to 5 sessions, according to research in sports medicine. Most lightheadedness comes from dehydration or skipping meals, not the heat itself. So what should you actually expect in your first class? When you arrive, and please come 15 minutes early, you'll meet your instructor and get oriented to the room. The first 10 minutes, you'll definitely feel the heat. Your circulation increases immediately, and your body starts this amazing adaptation process. Our classes include gentle warm-ups, standing poses for strength, seated postures for flexibility, and guided breath work. And yes, you will sweat. That's not just normal, it's beneficial. Research shows sweating supports skin health and even improves your microbiome diversity. Each class ends with Shavasana, a restorative rest pose that helps your body integrate all the benefits you just earned. Now, which class should you start with? At Hot Asana, beginners have clear entry points. I recommend starting with Hot Yoga Fundamentals. It's 60 minutes focused on breath, alignment, and building confidence. We also offer a 45-minute free Hot Yoga Fundamentals class. Literally risk-free way to try your first session. If you're pressed for time, our Hot Express Flow is 45 minutes of beginner-friendly movement that fits busy schedules. But honestly, Hot Yoga Fundamentals is designed as Wichita's safest and smartest first step into the heat. Here are my top success tips for beginners. First, hydrate early. Drink water 2 to 3 hours before class. Research in physiological reviews shows that pre-hydration dramatically improves your heat performance and comfort. Second, eat light. A small meal 2 to 3 hours before, or a light snack 1 hour prior helps maintain your energy without making you feel heavy. Third, master your breath. That deep, controlled breathing, we call it ujjayi, actually lowers stress and improves your tolerance to heat, according to research in the International Journal of Yoga. And here's my golden rule. Follow the 3-class commitment. Research on habit formation shows that consistency, not intensity, builds lasting changes. Give yourself 3 classes to feel the difference. Let me share what the science says about why this works. Heated yoga produces greater flexibility, improvements than room temperature yoga. Your cardiovascular system gets conditioned similar to endurance training. Your heart becomes more efficient. Your circulation improves. Hot yoga reduces cortisol and improves mood-regulating neurotransmitters, so you're literally training your stress response. Plus, heat training improves your mitochondrial efficiency and metabolic flexibility. You're not just getting stronger and more flexible, you're optimizing how your body produces and uses energy. What should you wear and bring? Keep it simple. Moisture-wicking fabrics like polyester or spandex blends. Avoid cotton, it holds sweat and gets heavy. Form-fitting but comfortable clothes work best. Light colors help reflect heat. Bring a yoga mat or rent one from us. A mat towel to prevent slipping. Your water bottle, electrolytes are great, and a small towel for sweat. Here's a Wichita tip. Prehydration is especially important during our Kansas summers. Start drinking water early in the day before your evening class. Here's what I want you to do. Stop letting what-if thoughts keep you from trying something that could transform your fitness, stress levels, and confidence. We're currently offering 2 weeks unlimited classes for just $25. That's enough time to experience the heat adaptation we've been talking about and see real changes in your flexibility and strength. Visit wichitahotyoga.com to claim your trial or call us at 316-202-5530. We have 2 convenient locations in East and West Wichita, and every instructor is trained to help beginners feel confident and safe. Remember, everyone in that heated room was a beginner once. The person next to you with the perfect warrior pose, they were nervous about their first class too. The difference is they took that first step. Your flexibility will improve. Your strength will build. Your stress will decrease. But none of that happens until you walk through our doors. Until next time, stay curious, stay brave, and remember, your transformation begins with just one class at 99 degrees. Melt. Hot yoga. Hot Takes is brought to you by Asana Yoga Studio in Wichita, Kansas. For all the research links and beginner resources we discussed today, visit hotasanayogastudio.com/blogs/beginners guide to hot yoga in Wichita. Everything you need to know. Ready to take your first heated class? Visit wichitahotyoga.com.